Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Army Public School and College Zamzama. A very warm welcome to the students of class 8. Dear students, we are very excited to have you stay with us as you continue your journey towards online classes. Please enjoy your work from home and let us know how we can make it better for your better understanding and attainment of the knowledge. Let's start further. English Ahead 3, page number 54-55 workbook and page number 85 textbook. It's the continuation of unit 7, that is emergency, and the subtopics in the workbook is news and in brief and people and disasters in textbook. The resources required are video, vocabulary, dictionary and CDs. Let's have a look on the introduction or summary of the lesson. The extract of the unit is that it's all about natural disasters. A natural disaster is an unforeseen occurrence of an event that causes harm to society. There are many natural disasters that damage the environment and the people living in it. Some of them are earthquake, cyclones, floods, tsunami, landsliding, volcanic eruptions and avalanches. But there are some other type of disasters that are considered to be a human error or might be a natural disaster. Let's discuss the resources that are required, and they are English Ahead Book 3, audio CD attached with EA3, Dictionary Thesaurus and My Vocabulary Bank. Now we are going to discuss the guidelines and the instructions. Students will follow the video tutorials and complete their home tasks. All written work to be done on textbook, notebook and workbook with proper date mentioned on the top. Student must upload the picture of their work on AIS. Discussing the objectives that student will be able to analyze or elaborate and identify the major concept of the article. Let's have a look on the workbook. Read and comprehend the newspaper article. Workbook page number 54-55. Solve exercise 1 and exercise 2 by reading the brief newspaper stories. Write the bold words with their meanings in My Vocabulary Bank. Exercise 3, 4, 5 and 6 to be done on workbook. Now in textbook, read and comprehend the article People and Disasters. Textbook page number 57. Solve exercise 2 on notebook. Write the bold words with their meanings in My Vocabulary Bank. Do exercise 3 and 4 on textbook. Let's have a look at the vocabulary that's going to be added in My Vocabulary Bank. This vocabulary definitely enhances the ideas concatenation and elaborated knowledge in creative writing. Normally, a vocabulary is primarily associated with the number of words that a person knows, but the words has many shades of meaning, both contextual and dictionary meaning. This is the targeted vocabulary from your workbook and textbook. That is written in the bold and you have to write it on My Vocabulary Bank book with their English and Urdu meanings. Okay, dear students, let's discuss the content of week 12. The entire article is about natural disasters that we have heard in the news. They had created a massive destruction. The first paragraph is about earthquake in the eastern part of Punjab with the expected events and elaborations. The paragraph number 2 elaborates about landsliding in Cameron Highland. Paragraph 3 describes the cyclone along the coast of Brazil. Paragraph number 4 discusses the outbreak of cholera across the south of Yemen. Paragraph 5 describes the hailstorm in Kansas. After having a brief look, you have to attempt question number 1. Look at the headlines. What do you think the stories will be about? And then question number 2, read the newspaper stories, match the headlines A to E and exercise 1 to the stories 1 to 5. After completing the workbook, you have to give a short look at the bold vocabulary or the targeted vocabulary to be written in my vocabulary bank. Let's discuss shortly few of the contextual meaning of the word. What does resident mean? A resident is a person who lives somewhere permanently. The second word is duration. Duration is the time during when something can happen or something continues. Bracing itself means preparing mentally. Raw, you all know about it, that raw is not cooked or uncooked food. Track is a rough path or a smooth path. Significant is significantly or sufficiently great. Continuing further, workbook page number 55. Question number 3. Match the stories 1 to 5 to the photos A to E. Dear students, recall and rewind all the disasters that we have discussed previously in the article and then concatenate your ideas with these pictures. Let's have a look at picture number D or picture number 4. A lady is trying to close all her windows because of cyclones. So, in which paragraph we have explained or we have discussed the disaster of cyclone? Definitely in paragraph number 3. Now, question number 4. Read the stories again, answer the question. Let's do an example. In which story was someone hurt? After recalling the article previously, we have to find it that in paragraph number 1, one person was hurt due to earthquake. Now let's do question number 5. Read the word definitions and write a matching word. Find the words in bold in the article to help you. We have already discussed the meaning, contextual and dictionary meaning of the targeted vocabulary. Let's do an example. The period of time when something happens. This definitely means that duration. So you have to write the word duration in the blank. Question number 6. Answer the question. Which of these stories could be a result of climate change? Again, recall the article or read the article again. You will definitely find out this thing that a climate change creates something that is pandemic. So, in paragraph number 4, you will definitely find out the answer to this question that cholera was pandemically happened in the country due to climate change. We all know that whenever there will be heavy rainfall, there will definitely a pandemic like malaria, dengue and cholera. So students, complete your workbook with proper date and day mentioned on the top. Open up your textbooks, page number 85. Vocabulary 2, People and Disasters. This article is related to the description that disasters have sarcastically a very in-depth effect on the human beings or the people. Now, let's discuss question number 1. Read and listen to the description of a disaster. Look at the photo. Tick the disaster mentioned. You have to select the photo in which this entire disaster is being located. Now, let's start the article, the 33. On 5th of August 2010, the roof collapsed in a mine in the Atacama Desert in Chile. 33 men were trapped 700 meters underground. Engineers made several deep holes to locate the men, and after 17 days they found them. The engineers then had to build a machine to rescue them. While the men waited for their rescue, close relatives and their volunteers also arrived to help. A government official kept the families informed of the progress. While the men were trapped in the mine, psychologists communicated with them using video cameras or drones. After 69 days, of tireless efforts, rescue workers finally brought all the men to the surface. Paramedics checked their health before they were taken to hospital. There were no fatal casualties and few serious casualties, although all the men had lost a lot of weight. The brave survivors became heroes in Chile and around the world. Definitely, you have to understand the entire meaning of the article, that disasters have very in-depth effect on human beings and their lives. So dear students, directly or indirectly, we are at a risk of natural disasters. Let's have a look at the targeted vocabulary written in the bold. This must be, or this should be written in my vocabulary bank with their proper meanings. Now let's discuss few of the meanings of the bold word. What does a casualty means? Casualty is a people or a person who are injured in a disaster but don't necessarily die. The other word is close relatives. A person's wife, a person husband, a person children, or any person that is a blood relationship. The other word is paramedics. Paramedics are the people who are trained to give emergency medical treatment or immediate treatment to a patient. What are volunteers? Volunteers are the people who decide to help although it's not their job. The other word is government official, a person who has political responsibility. Let's discuss furthermore that what does fatal casualties mean? Fatal casualty means people who die in a disaster. Let's discuss the meaning of psychologist. Psychologists are professionals who work in many different situations where people have personal problems. What are survivors? People who are alive after a disaster. Then lastly, engineers. Engineers are the experts who design and build roads, bridges, factories and etc. Now let's have a look at the last word or last targeted vocabulary, that is rescue workers. These individuals work to save people in all kind of dangerous situations. Now dear students, you have to do question number 2. Read the text again, complete the table with the words in bold in your notebook with proper date on the top. Lastly, let's conclude and have a recap of the overall description of the lecture.